Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the session breaks on TradingView in your mobile in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply launch your TradingView application on your phone. Now, when you are here, you can either tap on any of the charts logo available over here in your watch list, or you can just directly tap on the option of charts in order to launch any of the charts in front of you. Now whichever chart you want to open, you will find its list over here in the bottom, so you just have to simply tap on that. Now after launching the chart in front of you, what you need to do is you need to simply just tap on this gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you just have to scroll down and then tap on the option of more settings. Now here you just have to tap on this arrow icon on the top left hand corner of the screen, so that you are going to see all of the settings options available here. Now among these settings, you just have to go to the option of events, and here in the events section you will see the option of session breaks. Now as soon as you tap on the option of session breaks, this type of color will be opened in front of you. So currently it is blue, but if you want to make changes into the color, you can also do that. For example, let's say I want to change its color, I want to change its opacity, and you can also make changes into the thickness and the line style. So when you are done with your editing, make sure that you hit the OK button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, so that you could see the session breaks here clearly on the chart. So as you can see, these are visible over here, and that's how you can do it. Thank you.